Have you ever just wanted to do something um, completely different from what you have done? I did. Last year, I changed my whole idea on what I wanted to do for the rest of my life, I guess. I don't know. Um, I got so tired at work in just doing the same thing over and over and over again and insanity. Um, so I came home and I was like, my eyes were open, like just open to the possibility of what I could do. And the first thing that I went on search on the internet was sustainability and just giving up crap and living the way you're supposed to. Grow your own food, make your own meals from scratch. Um, you know, I started writing on 5-year goals, what I wanted to be able to achieve in 5 years. But I had already started thinking about that type of mentality before that. Every last couple years, I have been saying, okay, this year I'm going to learn something new. And this year it was learning how to make bread. And my whole family gave me gifts to be able to do that. New whisks and pans and beautiful cast iron I love. And also I had been so passionate about changing what I want to do, and I want to be able to save all of the food from this garden that I want to grow. I want to grow a garden. I want to grow a massive garden and put away all the food, just like, you know, my greats before me did sustainably, and they didn't have crap. They just didn't. And that's where this passion came from. So I'm learning how to use YouTube, and I feel like a big goof, but I'll get comfortable. But starting seeds has been so amazing. I can grow onions. These are a little small because I realized I want more onions, so I just started growing more seeds. These are the first onions that I grew, and there's probably 100 in here, but I don't know if they're all going to survive when I plant them because I have to learn the soil. I turned my learning experience into a classroom filled with interesting things and different plants and different foods that I want to try and I want to teach my children. And maybe these videos will show the progress to my children and my children's children. And, you know, maybe my great grandkids can learn from me. You know, I just think that's really special, and that's where I'm driven. And if I can put it out there, I am in my 40s. I have small children, a small child and an old child. And I just decided to do something different, and I want to share that with the whole wide world. So this is the video that shows you a little bit into why I'm doing what I'm doing, and sometimes I might look stupid and fumble up and say stupid words like fungal instead of fungus. But yes, this is my classroom in my learning room. I'm learning so much, and I hope that you want to follow along with me on this journey. And thanks for watching this video, because it just went where it went. So stick around if you want to watch this journey. Thanks.